Welcome back again. This is Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is that i-discuss natin itong tatlong qualities ng security officers and security guards. Tatlong words lang. Ito ay mga vital words, no? Napaka-importante. So napakadali lang tandaan. Start from alertness, honesty, and physical fitness. So again, before we proceed, gusto ko munang batiin lahat ng subscribers ko, viewers, and members. So, doon sa mag-subscribe lang in advance, maraming salamat sa inyo. So, again, our vlogs for today is that the qualities of the security guards. So, we start from the alertness. Ano ibig sabihin ng alertness? Ito, a good security guard officer is always alert and aware of his surroundings. So, alert at all times. I want to borrow the words of my boss. Ang sinasabi niya, always alert at all times. Yun yung dapat na quality ng isang security officers and security guard. So, dahil pag hindi ka alert dun sa area mo, EOR mo, ibig sabihin, maaari kang masilisihan. So, dapat alert ka. So, paano ba mapakita yung alertness mo? O multitasking ka. Hindi po pwede yung isang trabaho ka lang. No, hindi ka multitasking. For example, isang trabaho ka lang, no? Naglalagbog ka doon, yung pala may mga dumadaan na doon sa harapan mo or sa area mo na intruder. Hindi ako alert sir naglalagbog ako nang dumaan siguro yung intruder, so that's why napasukan ako. So that is not. So again, alertness, number 1. Number 2 is that dong honesty. A good security officer, security guard must be honest. So ibig sabihin, honest ka pagdating sa client mo, pagdating sa agency mo. So, dapat maging honest ka. Dahil pag hindi ka maging honest, sure ako, maraming mangyayari dun sa area mo. Baka ang mangyayari is bantay sa lakay. May 1% pa na hindi mga honest na mga security personnel natin. So, that's why, nagbablog tayo para at least tulungan maging professionalized, no? Tulungan maging professional yung lahat ng security. O, pag highly professional tayo, ibig sabihin, tataas din yung tingin ng people sa inyo, no? Sa mga personal natin. So, being honest, for example, mayroong mga items na pinagtatiwala sa'yo, hindi mo gagalawin. May items kang nakita doon sa area mo, turnover mo kagad sa loose and found. That is the being honest. No, without the supervisions of your security officers or client, nagtatrabaho 100%, one instruction at 100%. Hindi po pwede yung one instructions, pero 100% din yung supervision. No? Hindi dapat ganun. One instructions or zero supervisions, that is the best. 100% productivity but no supervisions. No, zero supervisions, that is the best. Third one is that physical fitness. Nasabi ko yung physical fitness as a good quality of the security officers and guards. Should be within a healthy weight, no? Range and exercise regularly. So, dapat bilang security personnel ka, security officers ka, dapat healthy ka. Dahil paano ka makipaghabulan doon sa mga bad elements kung hindi mo mismo kayang itakbo yung sarili mo. And then pag healthy ka, of course, laging physically and mentally fit ka. Makapag-isip ka kung ano yung tama. Wala ka nang ibang iniisip. Pag hindi ka healthy, of course, iniisip mo din yung kalusugan mo. How do you work 100% pag may iba kang iniisip? So, hindi makakonsentrate. Ang mangyayari lang dyan is that bolilyaso. So, that is the qualities of security guards or security officers in 3 words lang. Actually, maraming good qualities ng security officers and security personnel. Pero ang ginamit ko is that in-emphasize ko yung qualities ng security personnel and officers in 3 words. So, again, alertness, honesty, and physical fitness. Alright, so kung nagustuhan itong video na ito, mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment. And then, kung may gustong topic na i-discuss, mag-comment lang sa comment section. I-discuss natin yan. I'll be out and I'll be back for another interesting topic.